Hi there, hello, how are you? I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day so far. Today we are going to be opening up a box that we have never opened up on this channel before. It's called the Elite Box by Adore Me. It is an online lingerie subscription that does more than just lingerie. There's workout gear and swim in here too, so it's not just lingerie, and I felt like it was perfect timing for Valentine's Day. I actually ordered this in December. It was supposed to get shipped to me by January 4th, and it's taken a heck of a lot longer. So we'll get into all that stuff first. But first, we have a word from today's sponsor, Ana Luisa. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and I know who gets me the best gifts. Me, of course. So if you're also like me and like to practice a little self-love, gift yourself some beautiful new jewelry pieces from Ana Luisa. Their jewelry collections are not only on trend and timeless, but they are sustainably made and crafted to last you for years. And of course, I have two new pieces to show you today. They also come in like, look, little recyclable box. The first ones that I have to show you are the Percy earrings. These give an illusion of having a double piercing without having a double piercing. Now, I already have a double piercing, so this is gonna make it look like I have a triple piercing. They do also have this one in pearl. I already love this. I love this so much. It's so cute. I do actually have really sensitive skin. I cannot buy not a single pair of earrings at the store. I look at them every single time. They're so dang cute, but I can't get a single pair of earrings at the store that wouldn't be too heavy for my ears, that wouldn't irritate my ears, turn green, make them feel red, swollen, and itchy. If you have sensitive skin, Ana Luisa is approved for you. They're hyperallergenic, water resistant, tarnish free, and they come with a 2-year warranty. So you are guaranteed to love these pieces for a good long time. Now the other one that I have, the second piece that I have, is the most classic herringbone necklace. I don't think that this is gonna come off of my neck in a while. It's called Ina. It's a very simple necklace. It's my favorite kind, like a dainty, simple necklace. This is 14 karat gold plated. They do also have it in silver, and you can also get it in mini if you want something that's a little bit smaller, a little bit daintier. Now, I'm actually really good at taking off my bracelets and my rings when I jump in the shower, when I go to bed, but my necklaces are a whole other story, and I have worn my Ana Luisa necklaces in the shower and to bed and in the pool and in the ocean and all the places that you're not supposed to wear it, and they still looked absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. Do they last as long when you do that? No. I would say that they probably, my favorite necklace I wore like on the regular for about 4 years, could probably be replated at this point, but it's just, oh my God. I love when a necklace lands like right there, right on like your collarbones. How sexy is that? I love this one. Okay, so this is the Ina necklace. I'll put the names of the things down below. So whether you're showing yourself a little self-love or you need to show a little love to somebody else in your life, Ana Luisa has an amazing self-love sale going on right now. I will have all the information in the pinned comment, top of the description box as well. Be sure to go down there, check it out. Thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring another video. Now let's get to unboxing. Quick disclaimer for the channel. I know it's called The Elevated Home, and we used to do subscription boxes all the time here, and I absolutely adored and love subscription boxes, and I can't get away from them. And so about 50% of the time we still do subscription boxes here on the channel. The other half is like home-ish related. This half is the subscription boxes, and this one I got targeted for on Instagram because I had been looking up lingerie, and I hate lingerie shopping so much, but I was trying to find, like, I don't know, brands that seemed like they would fit me better than Victoria's Secret. I don't want to go to the mall and get completely naked and put on sexy lingerie in a dressing room. That's not my vibe. It's not how I want to shop for my lingerie. Also, it's incredibly expensive at the store, and I thought maybe I could find stuff that was more reasonably priced online. First thing I did though was order from Amazon, and Amazon wasn't terrible, but the sizing was very obscure, and the things that I got just didn't feel as good of quality. So then I started getting targeted from this brand, and I just loved everything that I saw on their site. The Adore Me site is so damn cute. They have a bunch of different collections. They have things from like soft and feminine to sexy and like potentially bondage type apparel and everything in between. So when I saw the site and I saw like what you could do to customize your box, I was pretty excited. The first thing you do is you pay for the $20 styling fee. Like like basically any other clothing box. And then you go through and you fill out like a whole profile, the things that you like, the things that you don't like. Every time you log onto the site, it gives you like 25 pictures that you can rate, and you could swipe left or swipe right, and that would tell your stylist what kinds of things that you're into. I went through the quizzes and I went through and said the things that I do like and the things that I don't like. The things that I do like are, I wanted things that were going to be sexy, and I'm not a bra wearer. I hate a bra. I will cakes body my nips and I will go sans bra, but I wanted some like sexy lingerie, you know, and Valentine's Day is coming up. So I wanted to be able to try some things. I did also say that I was down with getting some swimwear and workout clothes, because those are two other things that I'm doing. My gym does have a pool, so I could actually use some swimwear. So with my box, I ordered it at the end of December. I think it was like December 28th. I was supposed to have it delivered between January 4th and January 6th, but then about that time, I got an email that said, hey, it's being delayed. So I waited about 2 weeks and I heard nothing, and I clicked on that link religiously trying to see if tracking would be updated and anything moved, and it had not. So I reached out to customer service and was like, hey, it says it's supposed to be delayed a couple days, what's going on? And they came back and they said, hey, around the holidays it was super busy, so everything is a bit delayed. But then I got shipping notification the next day, and then it was here like 3 days later. So sometimes I feel like when you reach out to customer service, when there's been crickets for a while, it just reminds them that they were supposed to send it. I think that's what happened. I'm hoping that's not the case this next time. So when I get the next box, fingers crossed I actually get it in a timely manner, because I was actually concerned that this would not be here in time for Valentine's Day, which is slightly the point. So how this works is you get your box, then you have 7 days to try everything on and return whatever it is that you don't want to keep. And then whatever it is that you do keep, you get a discount on it, I guess. According to the website, it says that you save $10 off of every set. Even if you keep just one thing and you get that discount plus the $20 styling fee off, it could potentially be worth it. That's how I'm rationalizing it with myself. The sizes range from extra small to 4X. You get free US shipping, $10 off every set, exclusive sales, style profile and recommendations, your boxes delivered regularly, free returns with the prepaid label. So I don't know, it just kind of sounds like another clothing box. So it does come pretty full. Wow, I wasn't expecting it to have as many things in it. Oh, there is like a set. Okay, so look at this. First thing that we have up here is like a little bra. Let's just crack into it. There's a lot going on in here. I think that there's probably 7 like full outfits or sets in here. And of course you do put in your sizing and all of that. That would make no sense if you didn't. So this is the first thing. I did say that I really like black. I really like long line, which is this, the longer underneath. I think it's just really flattering. And it doesn't really have like super structured cups. I kind of like it. And it did also come with a little pair of cheeky bottoms, which I did note in there. I'm not a thong girly, so I'm excited to see that they actually sent like a lingerie set that's not a G-string in the back. So now I have an idea that there's like actual sets in here. I'll try to put them together. This next thing feels potentially like a swimsuit, and it's black. This might not be the right size though. This one's a medium, and for the most part I'm like a size extra small, except I am bigger on top. I don't have an ass to fill this up. I wish I did. I don't have an ass to fill this up. The back actually has like a little bit of butt scrunch. Could look like a diaper on me, could actually give me a little bit of a booty. I'm excited. I see something pink. Let's go for another thing pink. This is kind of more so just a bra, something that I don't really partake in this type of a lifestyle so much, but it's mesh, it's see-through. I don't know if you can tell that it's super see-through, but it is very thin. It's very thinly lined. Maybe they went with pink for Valentine's Day, which is kind of cute. It's not really like a themed box. Like I said, you go through and you like rate a whole bunch of things. I rated everything that was like black that I loved, I wanted. You can also go in to their, you go onto their store and then you just heart the items. Like you like the items and it puts it into like a liked category for your box, and your stylist can see the things that you liked. So if there's something that you liked that is available to put in the box, then they would reach for it and go get it. I was really hoping for this lace cami short set to be in here. I'm not seeing it quite yet, but there is something that looks like shorts at the bottom, so maybe. All right, here's the bottoms. These ones aren't that cute. They're okay. No, I don't love that one. Oh, that's got something in it. Here's some workout gear then. I think this little strap right here is supposed to go like twist around your body so that you have a crisscross pattern. Adjustable straps. It's a little adjustable in the back. Kind of. It's as tight as it's gonna go, so we might have to loosen that up. is there something that goes with this. These. They are full biker length shorts. I might be a shorty short kind of girl. The brand on this one's Walk Pop, which makes me think maybe they partner with another brand. Yeah. For some of their clothing, they feel nice. Everything so far does feel like it's a really good quality. It feels much better than any of the things that I had ordered on Amazon. The pricing I'm kind of curious about. Most of the pricing that I saw on the website was between $40 and $60. So I don't think I'm gonna be that surprised when I see the full price on each thing. And then these last two things might actually go together. This is a regular old bra with an underwire. Oh, how dare they? How dare they try to restrict me like this? Maybe this last thing goes with it. This is not an actual lingerie piece. This is what I really kind of wanted out of the box, was like the first thing that we got, this lingerie piece, and an actual lingerie piece. You can barely see that because it's black. It's like a, wait a minute. It's crotchless. I didn't see anything crotchless on their site. I did not realize that that's what you could get here. I can't show you that. I'll put it over top of some other clothes. I real like it. It's mesh, lace on the front. The lace feels really nice. The seaming all looks really nice. The product quality is solid. It's looking solid. These are adjustable. You can adjust them actually quite a bit, like about an inch or two more. It's time to try all this on. I'm kind of excited about it. Okay, first up here, we have the swimsuit, which is fine, except it's too big on me. There's a lot of fabric that I can't fill out here. There's a lot of fabric that I can't fill out here, and definitely in the booty region, just a whole bunch of fabric. Nothing is tight enough. I think this was sent the wrong size. All right, next up, we have the exercise outfit, which extra small on bottom would generally be about my size, but it's giving me some major squishage right here. So I probably would go up to a size small, although I don't know if it's that's giving me the squish or how low this bra is. And the bra is a little too tight. You can see I'm kind of popping out a little bit. I think I would need to go up a size. Let's go like this. It feels so good and secure, but it's just too tight. I can hardly breathe. I think I prefer my shorts about that length. Next lingerie set, I wish you could get the full, that you could really understand it because it is so cute, except I have to do it in the most YouTube friendly way possible. Here we go. We have that very first set. It is so flattering up top. I have the best cleavage with it that you can't see, but this is the most comfortable, most flattering. It's not itchy. It's not bothering me at all. Even the little cheeky bottoms, so damn cute. This is 100% for sure keeper. I'm gonna make a couple piles real quick. I wanna keep this set. So here's the keep. Here is the exchange for a different size. I'm just gonna go one size up on this. I really like this. That feels really comfortable. And then the things that are not my vibe, that I'm gonna return in this pile. The swim also belongs in that pile. I need to pre-warn you for this one because it's the crotchless one. This is not it. This is not, I don't like it. I'm not comfortable in crotchless. I think that it just highlights the muff so much, too much. The back of this though is so cute. Straight up looking like a swimsuit, looking so cute, looking very flattering. Love the cut of it. I would definitely keep it if this part wasn't here, but this is like, no. This set, I probably wouldn't classify it so much as a lingerie set, as much as just an undergarment set. It's just a full coverage bra, matching panties that are kind of soft. They're soft, they're lacy in the back. This is actually like kind of double lines. You have that mesh, but then you have the lace over top, which is nice. It feels like it gives a little bit of support, but it's boring. It's just some undergarments, and I don't like bras. It'll be a no on that whole set. All right, and here's the very last thing. It's just the black bra. It's I don't know. I'm kind of inclined to keep it because I feel like a black bra is a solid thing just to have. This is so soft. It feels like butter. Highly adjustable. It does feel really comfortable. I mean, I could feel this underwire on my ribs, and I don't have to be about that life. No, I'm not going to keep it. I do not need it. So all that I'm keeping is the first lingerie set, and then I want to change the size on this. Let's check out the pricing and how to return this. Return what you don't love for free. Simply peel back the shipping label, adhere to your box, and drop your return package into USPS. So rip off the bottom of my return label, pull up gently to finish exposing the return label. Oh, fancy that. That was honestly really cool. Oh, I think I'm supposed to log onto the app to try to finish up. Okay, so from the app, it tells me how long I have. I have until January 31st to try all the things on, which is fine because it's January 27th and I actually did it within the time frame. And then you complete checkout. Let me screen record this. We'll do it together. Oh, if you need more time, you can click a button and you can get some more time. That's nice. Complete checkout. You can choose to see which things here are you keeping. I'm going to keep the Pocky Contour set. It's $54.95. Is that $10 off? I guess it is. The Rosy Unlined Lingerie was $55. That's getting returned. And then it asks you a bunch of questions. What did you think about the item? As to why you're returning it. Next up was the Amelia Contour and the Cheeky. So it is supposed to be a set. This is $39.95, but I'm not gonna keep that. Swimsuit is actually $45. That's pretty cheap for a swimsuit for a one piece, but it did come in a medium and it's not my size. The biker shorts were only $25. That's like Target pricing, damn. And then I don't have the option to exchange this for a different size. It's $40. I guess I don't necessarily need it. I wish that I had the option. It's kind of a bummer. Last up is the Janelle Contour bra and it's only $30. That's also a pretty solid price, like pretty decent price. Okay, so as it would turn out, I am only keeping one thing or one set out of this, $54.95 less my $20 styling fee plus $3.30 in sales tax means that my new total is $38.25 and I could just click finalize order. And that's it. Actually, it says I could send back my items before February 26th, which doesn't it sound like it's giving me a whole lot of time to forget about it. All right, that is all set to be returned. I'm pleasantly surprised with that. I feel like the box, I didn't keep very much, but I feel like the stylist did stick to a lot of the things that I said that I liked. I did get a whole variety of things. I got lingerie, swim, workout gear. I got a lot of things in black, a pop of pink for Valentine's Day. I feel like it definitely went along the lines of everything that I said that I did like on the site, but none of the things, I don't think a single one of these things is actually anything that I hearted on the site and was hoping to see in the box. Maybe potentially this. This is so damn cute. But the box itself was pretty solid. I'm definitely gonna get it again. If you wanna see it again, let me know. I might just show it over on my Instagram, but that was a really fun box. And I'm kind of excited about getting like actual cute, sexy pieces that I don't have to go to the store and then buy and then in person have to return. And a lot of those things are not really returnable. I'm not about that life. Please curate me a box, mail it to me, let me try it on in my own home and send it back. This is more my vibe. I do want to give another huge thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. If you're looking for something pretty for yourself or for somebody else, go check out Ana Luisa's self-love sale. It is spectacular. They are constantly adding new styles of jewelry online, so if you've seen it before, you probably have not seen what they have today. I will leave the link down in the pinned comment and in the top of the description box. I'll also put the information for the Adore Me Elite box down there as well. Thank you all so damn much for hanging out. I truly appreciate it. Love you to the moon and back. Huge shout out to all my patrons for making videos like this possible, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.